Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you my where's my two? I'll go get my two and my three and my four favorite slimes. So let me get them down. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so wait, let me remove this. Okay, so if the camera kind of looks a little bit different, it's because I got a new phone because my button fell off mine and the screen broke. So I'm using one of our old phones, which is new to me. So yeah, and I really like it. So yeah. I want to do something real quick. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Where in the heck did I just put my fourth one? Oh, here it is. Okay. So I'm gonna start off with this slime. So this is store-bought slime, and I absolutely love this slime. And I'm gonna do it from order. Okay. So like from my least top 5 to my. So yeah, this one I got this slime for $4 at I got this slime for $4 at what is it called? At Walmart. Well, actually, if you want to actually be really specific, I actually got it. I got it for $4.99. So basically $5. So this is like I don't know if it's the glitter that makes it kind of blue or if it's just me. But I think it's it's okay. So this is a clear slime with blue glitter in it, and it has some orange beads in it, and I put the orange beads in there and these little thingies in it. So yeah, and I'm absolutely in love with this slime. I got the slime yesterday. Wait, yesterday? No. Yeah, I got it this Saturday. Well, last Saturday, basically. But I absolutely love this slime. It has the most amazing clicks. It's so pretty. It literally almost kind of looks like the ocean or a mermaid. I don't know. It just I don't know. I just really like how the glitters make the color kind of look like it's blue. And you should see this slime when it's cleared. It's so amazing when it's clear. Like, so amazing. Absolutely love this slime when it's clear. I absolutely love the texture of this. It's just so amazing. I just love the slime. I love the clicks. It makes really good bubbles. Here, I'll try to make one. See, look at that. That makes really good bubbles. Oh my god. Oh guys, sorry. Oh my god, the bubble went over my phone. Sorry for y'all guys. I'm so sorry. I got it on my phone and it went over the camera. But oh my gosh, I love this slime. But yeah, so I'm gonna move on to the next slime. I love how good it bubbles, and the pops are just amazing, and it's so stretchy. So yeah, it's so pretty when it's clear. So I'm gonna go on to the next one. So the next one is this slime, and I call it Purple Tornado, but y'all can call it whatever y'all want. So it's a foam slime that's purple, and this slime is like so crunchy. Well, actually not really crunchy, but this slime is like so stretchy. It's a little bit sticky if like you have it in your hands for a while, but it's so pretty and lovely. I also have to say that the beads do kind of fall out, but I just love this slime. Oh, I forgot. I was gonna do it in order from what's my favorite, like really favorite. This isn't my really favorite. I'll tell you which one's my really favorite. No, my really favorite one is this slime. This is my third favorite slime. No, this is my fourth favorite slime. Has really great pops, and I just love this slime. It has beads, glitter, of gold, pink, and clear glitter. Y'all should totally get clear glitter. It's so amazing. This also makes kind of good bubbles. Here, I'll try to make one. All the slimes I like make kind of good bubbles. So see, that was really good. Just really depends on how good I flip it. So it really just depends on me. Oh my gosh. See, like that's really good. So yeah, and it kind of feels like a butter slime a little bit, just a teeny bit. At the same time, it just feels like a regular fluffy slime, or a foam slime. But yeah, I really like this slime. So I'm gonna put it back in the container. Okay, so the next, oh, that was the fourth one. Oh my god, this slime got really sticky. Okay, that was not the slime bed. So this is my second favorite slime. The reason why this is my second favorite slime is because I, like, oh my god, I don't know how to explain it. I love the clicking noises. This is a butter slime. Well, it's not really a butter slime. It's more of like a thick slime. It has a weird texture. It's not a butter slime because it doesn't spread, but it is a really good bubble making slime. And it's like a thick slime, so it has what's it called? Baking soda. Not baking soda, cornstarch in it. But it makes really good bubbles. Again, it's really good popping noise. It makes really good popping noises. And then it also is a really good stretching for a thick slime. It used to be very glossy, but now it ain't. It has a little bit of beads in it. It has blue glitter in it, and I think it has a little bit of pink glitter. This has the most amazing pops ever. I absolutely love the pops on this slime. See, look at that's just amazing. So yeah, and I call this Blue Ocean. So next slime is called Sparkled Cupcake. This is a very glossy slime, as you can tell. It's not a white, it's more like an off pink color. Because it has a little, it's kind of like a page color, a page color, whatever they're called. I think it's called page color. But just OMG. I just absolutely am in love with this slime. All of my 4 favorite slimes I'm in love with, like completely in love with. So this one used to be a jiggly slime, but then I didn't play with it for a while, and then like the water somehow absorbed out of the slime. It's not a white, it's not really an off-white, it's more of like an off-pink, I would say. Maybe like a skin tone color. I will say I am darker than that because I am a teeny bit Mexican. That may be hard to believe. So this has craft sand in it. It has a little bit of glitter in it, maybe like just a little bit, just maybe like a pinch. It has activator, of course. I think it has lipstick in it. Not lipstick, lip gloss. Maybe that's what made it so glossy. It's kind of sticky. It's actually pretty sticky. Okay, I'm gonna try to make a bubble with it. This one's a little bit more harder to make bubbles with, but when you do make a bubble with it, it makes so good bubbles. Like when you do make bubbles with it, it's just amazing. Again, it has really good popping noises, very good clicking noises. I'm gonna try to make a bubble with it. Oh, there you go. See, I told you guys, it does make really good bubbles. Just it's kind of hard to make a bubble with it. It has. Sorry for that interruption. But yeah, this has a very good. It has really good clicking noises. It has really good popping noises. That's two way different things. Clicking. That's clicking. This is popping. Out of all the slimes, the two that has the most good popping noises is this one and this one. See, look at that bubble. It makes really good bubbles, but it's just kind of hard to make them. And it is a little bit sticky. As you see, I have quite a bit of stuff on my hands. So yeah, guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please all like and subscribe to my channel. Push the post notification button so you can get notifications every time I post a video. Bye!